How to change your Apple ID password on your MacBook. So this will be the password that you use to sign in to your Apple account. Now, first thing you'll need to do is go and click on the Apple logo in the top left-hand side of the screen, and then just press System Settings. Now click on your profile name at the very top of this window, and then select Sign In and Security. Now select Change Password, and the first thing you'll need to do is go and enter your current Apple account password. Now once you've done this, you can go and enter a new Apple ID password, and just take note that this is different from the password you use to sign into the MacBook. This is simply for your Apple account instead. So just go and enter a new password, make sure it's at least 8 characters in length. It also needs to include a number and an uppercase letter as well. Now if you want to go and change the sign-in password on your Mac computer, then you'll need to scroll down on the left hand side and click on Touch ID and Password. It will say a login password has been set for this user, press change, and this is where you can change the login password on your MacBook.